Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, De Alejo Videos. Today I will show you what a fantastic system. 2-in-1 module. These plugs are joined inside. But the fantastic is this. Not screws are needed. Look at this. Line. Here, brown. That's all. It's very tight. Let's go to the neutral. Blue. Neutral, blue. Very tight. No screws are needed. On the ground. Green color with the green. Okay. Two in one. 3 wires only. It's a fantastic system. It is made in Argentina. It's very awesome. Look at this. Cambre. Profit System is the name. It's excellent. Good. Thanks for watching.